Hello guys! This is Senpai and welcome to my channel. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon is regarding sa professor job as an FTP player. Mga dakilang FTP labas. For our stats, since our build is a ball type, skill type is max dex, int, yan. And then for our skill build, need natin kunin for our first job is Firebolt, Cold Bolt, Lightning Bolt, and increase SP recovery. For second job, ang pinaka-importante dito is yung Book of Evolution, Precast, Dragonoid, and Double Cast. Yung remaining skill points, uh, you input yung Magic Punishment and Drain Magic. Ito, for our element domain, optional na siya. Depende kasi yan kung anong prepare na mobs yung pagpapalebela natin. And then, with regards sa NT, quest, need natin ng Earth Spike for Wind MVP. Yan. Importante yan. Huwag kang mawawalan yan. And then, sa ating third job as professor, Element Insight, Spirit Devastation, and then, remaining points, yan, optional na lang din siya when it comes to PvP. Yan. Pero ang importante dyan, itong Element Insight and Spirit Devastation. Next will be our sigil. And the one and only Chaos Energy for our main buff. Buff to eh. Prima. And for additional 8 stats pag naka-party ka. At kaya magkakaroon ng additional stats and movement speed. Yan. For additional Braveheart for yan, minus incoming damage by 10%. And then for HP restore, yan, yung Deadlock Aurora, Berserk for additional magic attack by 5% pag nagpro-proc. And then Soul Reaper for additional magic attack again pag nagpo-proc. Sa ating feathers, ang ating set bonus is Raven Ars, and 1 violet and 4 yellow. Yan. Ang importanteng pinakamahalaga dito yung Fate, since yun nga plus int siya guys. Yan. The more int, the more damage. And then ignore magic defense, importante pati yung PBE damage bonus. Lahat ng set natin for attack is for PBE, since yung server is still growing pa rin and need natin magpa-level. Yan. Bali hindi pa siya full, but it will benefit on your character once na nakuha natin yung Raven Ars. Yan. Then for our set, yan, medyo nagiging pula na siya. Sa headgears, ang kinuha natin is lahat ng may dex in magical damage, variable casting time, yan, dito, malas tayo dito eh. Yeah. And then for our Divine Armament, ang importante dito is yung layo eh, gulo. Element Fountain Magic Book. Yan. For additional damage sa ating gold. Yan. And then, hanggat maaari, kung buenas yung bata ka, makakuha ka ng, makapag-refine ka ng plus 15, mas good. Then, sa armor naman, maintain lang muna ng plus 10 since need lang naman natin medyo kumunat pagdating sa dungeon. And then yun nga, ang kailangan natin kunin yung sprint set for additional magic damage and yun nga, yung global cooldown. Yan. Next is for shield. For defense is Valkyra's shield. Yan. And then for additional damage is Book of Lies. Which is pag naka plus 15 yan guys, need may ano yan, additional fix casting time na minus 3%. And then pagdating sa ating power up, uy, putik. Umabot tayo dyan, 300,000. Diba? Ang secret na ginagawa natin guys is mount. Yan. The more na makakuha tayo ng plus sa courage, mas malaki yung binibigay na additional stats. Ang gagawin mo lang is bibili ka lang ng wild kiwi sa store daily. May daily yan na maximum limit ng 30 pieces. Yan, bili mo lang every day. Then, kung wala tayong Zenny, pwede tayong bumili sa Diamond, which is no limit. Yan, no limit yan. Magsawa ka. Yan. Kung marami kang Diamonds. Yung sa event, maraming binibigyan na diamonds ngayon. Sulitin natin. Hindi natin aksehin. And then, yun nga, for additional power up, ang need natin pagkagastosan dito guys is yung yan, day tire, depth tire, delot, yan, delot, then Conquerors, Dual Lance, Sigil for additional stats. Yan. The more na marami tayong ma-unlock sa Sigil, may additional stats yan guys. Kaya wag nyo pababayaan. Yan. Kung may libre tayong diamonds, yan, bili lang tayo. And then for what we call this is our pet. Our pet is for DPS to eh. Since nanggaling tayo sa Archer. Yan, galing tayo sa Archer eh. Change job tayo nung nagkaroon ng free job voucher. With regards sa pet, yan, nakakuha tayo ng yan, Go Samurai, Antasha B, Chambalero, walang hiya. Yan, Antasha O. And 4, ito yung sikreto ng mga F2P player para makasurvive without using any pots. Yan, Sohi number 1. And then for our cogwheel, tayo sa cogwheel. Yan. Ang pinakamadaling ma-achieve as an FP is yung Demic Cogwheel. Then need lang natin mag-combine. hanggang makakuha tayo ng weight na level 5. Yan, ganito guys. As of now, dalawa pa lang siya. Medyo malas ako eh. Yan. Ang pinaka-importanting stats na kailangan natin ma-combine or ma-craft is Transcendence. The much higher level is okay for additional magic damage. And then, triple cast for additional bolt. Yan. Ayan yung pangatlong bolt na nagpo-proc doon sa ating double casting every time na i-skill or pa-function yung ating firebolt. As you can see in this video, yan. Ano, dalawa tapos nagpo-proc yung pangatlo. Hindi siya hindi siya sunod-sunod, may chance talaga siya kaya much higher level nung pangatlong bolt natin sa ating Verus. Yan, mas okay. And then with regards sa accessories pala, yan, or sa ating stats, ang pinagkukuha natin lahat ng may variable casting time, which is ang boulder type kasi is nagde-depend siya sa ating yung ating variable casting time, which is need natin ma-achieve yung 100% para maging no cast. Yan, nakikita nyo naman no cast siya. And then with regards sa variable casting time, kailangan natin makakuha ng mga items na meron nito. And then, yun nga lang, kulang pa ako ng isang accessories, which is yun nga, nanggaling tayo sa auto attack build. Yan, sana makachamba tayo. Walang hiya. And then, for ating, wait lang, sa Armanet, sa season, yan, seasonal stats ang tinitake natin. Yun na lang, medyo late na kasi tayo dito ANT eh. Tangina, ang hirap makakuha ng parties. Ay, sana all mga madami runners. Yun lang guys, kung may question pa kayo, you can comment down below and then pag-usapan natin sa next video. Yun lang, maraming salamat, have a good day.